Instead of deleting individual rows one at a time, which can be tedious and time consuming, consider using the Go to Special feature in Excel to remove all blank rows at once. Here's how. First, open the Excel worksheet that you want to work with. Then select the range of cells, and you can use the Ctrl-A keyboard shortcut to do this. Then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-G to open the Go To dialog box. Then select the Special button, and then it'll open up the Go to Special dialog box. In the Go To Special dialog box, select Blanks, and then select OK. All the blank cells in the selected range will now be highlighted. Press the Ctrl and hyphen keys simultaneously to delete all those cells. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily remove all blank rows from your Excel worksheet using the Go to Special feature and keyboard shortcuts. This approach is more efficient and accurate than deleting individual rows, especially when working with large datasets.